Hello guys, now we are going to play a game, a random game. I'm just taking a little break from Block Mango. I'm just not liking it right now. It's just kind of boring. It's just so paid women. By the way, the reason why I can't even hear the game audio is because I have turned it off from the screen recording, so you can't even hear it. I can hear it, but you can't. So you can actually hear me. Or you just probably. If I do that's it. Definitely not online. By the way, guys, I'm going to a trip into Peru. Like tomorrow, just tomorrow. I'm pre-recording these and I'm checking these dates. So I can actually upload everything that I can because of internet connection. I'm making these videos in a day, a singular day, okay? So it's right now, it's March 2nd, okay? I have to make videos, 5 videos, not 5 videos, like 4 videos. This is the fourth thing after this is the third. Every single video, 4 videos, no, 3 videos of this children back in the background. I'm a child and I live with my parents and outside. So you can probably hear me. I'll give you a guess. By the way, guys, I'll show you something. The most easiest diamond is the DVT one. Yeah, I did it wrong. Wait, sorry guys. Wait. We are bad. Okay, yeah. Good base. That's not good base, man. Man. No, so close. Wait, no. So close, man. So close. Did I get other ways? Think I got it. So yeah, this could be a good thing. Yeah, this is a good thing. Oh no, that's not good. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, but I can't lock in. What am I doing? I really like video making. The reason that I didn't upload in a while is that I did not get the sound right. What the flip is that sound? Should I try Blackbeard's diamond? Yeah, I should. Let's go, guys. Oh, family, just be quiet for a second. This is not good. No, not good. I have to do this in 15 seconds. Finally, what we have acknowledged that I am making a video. Now they have shut the mouth. Nice, good. Escape! No, no. How is this even possible? No, I'm not doing that. I am not doing that. What's left? No, no. By the way, that thing is a hair dryer. That thing you're hearing, it's a hair dryer. Sound just stop for a second. Okay, finally. Allah. Oh, I forgot. I think 25 seconds. What? No, that's my previous best. I think it's like 18 seconds. Yeah, 18 seconds. It's going to be very hard. But I think I can do it. I hope I do. No, it's okay. Not a play. 18 seconds. The whole 18 seconds is that way. Should I even try? I don't even think I should try. It's going to take me 100 million attempts. You know what? No. I'm leaving. By the way, guys, I'm going to show you my favorite FBA Super Data Director YouTuber outfit. Let me remember what he was wearing. Yes, this and what? Not this. Big bear. Yeah, wait, I remember. Rainbow bear. Yeah, jacket. No. Oh yeah, a banana. I don't remember what was behind him. I did not know the Sheikah. But I remember. Where is it? A banana. There's a banana on top of his head. Oh, we're off the stage. Here. This is. By the way, the YouTuber's name is 11th Legality. YouTuber. I really like his lives, and you should also watch his lives. I also appear in them sometimes. Like I think his second latest or the latest live stream. Go check it out. Let me see. I'm just checking what do I even have. What is this? No, that's garbage. No, it's not. Banana. Okay. I think he has invisible Sheikah. Maybe, I don't know. Trail start weather effect. He does not have anything. Yeah, this is it. I guess his latest outfit. He has been changing it, but nah, probably then. By the way, guys, I'm going to make this, I guess, at least 30 minutes. You know what? I'm going to do this. I already have done it. it again. Wait. Yeah, why can't my family just shut? No. Are you kidding me? Please, please. No. Please, please. No. I'm on practice mode, so I can't even leave my back. What? What? Bro, why isn't my family just stop yapping? And though it's not a fight, it's not. Okay. Just be under 1 minute. Bruh! I want to be this. I want to be. Okay. I want to make this into the short. I can't even do this. I'm not surrendering. If I do this now, I'm going to crash out. Okay. If I actually did that now, then I'm going to keep on trying. I don't really care. No, what the flip? This hurts my soul. Not 30 minutes. I don't even care how much time it is. Until I win this in 1 minute, I'm not ending the video. We have 40 seconds in total. Oh, I don't even think I can do this. Allah! A cat just ran down. That just gave me a heart attack. Allah! No! Okay, you know what, guys? I'm going to post a video with the cat. You understand? Bye bye, guys. I'll see you in the next video.